Hi everybody, let's make sticker sheets. Now I attempted to do this on my own and it just wasn't working out. So I had to go onto YouTube and I found this girl that made sticker sheets. That's what she does for her thing. And I was like, oh, facepalm. Yes, of course, that's how you do it. So let's go ahead and do a sticker sheet here while we're at it. I first started out with a square that was 6.5 inches in width. And then I changed this to print then cut so that I could find a pattern. And I went down, you can definitely use holiday patterns. I wanted something a little bit more solid so the stickers could actually, you could just actually see them, they wouldn't blend in. So I'm just going through, finding the patterns that I like. I could do that one. That would be nice. Okay. All right, so that's an exact square. I don't want that. So I'm going to make that 6.5 by 9. Perfect. Okay, then to create the words, I did text. And I don't like that one for this. So I'm going to come over. They updated again since I've been on Cricut Design Space. So I think that's it. Trying to maneuver my way around here. And I think I'm going to go with something like this. Something that's you can easily read. Let's see. Oh, Allie, that would be good. Let's use that one. Okay, and I'm going to type in holiday sticker tags. And okay, so I'm going to give you a little side note here. I had shoulder surgery on the 23rd of October, and I am in a sling. So I'm using my left hand for everything. And I'm getting pretty good at it, but I'm still a little slow, so hang in there with me. I think I'm going to keep that black, and I'm going to size it to the width of 5.0. That should work. It's a little tall, so let's go to the height and bring that down to, let's do 375. Okay, that'll work. All right, so in order to find those tags, we can go ahead and do the pricing too. This boutique is not a high-end, well, it is a high-end, that wasn't the right word. You can't sell expensive stuff there. I've tried, and people just don't buy it. Tough times, I'm telling you. Okay, go back to text, and this one's gonna say $1 per sheet. Plus tax. And bring that size down to 0.35. Wow, what happened there? 0.35. Maybe a little smaller. 2.5. Why is it doing that? That's bizarre. 0.25. There we go. And I'm going to bring that down there. Now I went into images and I searched Christmas tags. I'm really having a hard time doing this with my left hand only. I hit caps lock by mistake. And there they are. So I just started clicking on one and I'm just in love with these. Look at how cute that is. We're going to make that a 2.5. I'm sorry, the height would be 2.5. There we go. And then we'll go down to this little puppy dog one. That 2.5. I'm gonna move this off here for, well, not that. I'm gonna move these off here for a second. And that looks like it's not black. It looks like it's like that gray color. So we're gonna make that black. Maybe it is. And we're gonna make that black. I want to go all the way to the top. Okay, that looks like it's even Steven, and we're going to go ahead and flatten this. And I think that's flattened right there. Now we can move our stickers. Oh, no, we don't want to do that yet. Okay, so let's get, we can put 3 across. So we'll put that one, that one. Okay, I got the puppy and the snowman. We'll do this one here. And the height being 2.5. Okay, so what I did here, before I put it on that printout, is I did, where's a line? I'm so sorry. This is literally the first time I've been on here. I'm going to distribute it horizontally. This one looks like it's too big. Yep. Kind of adjusted itself, didn't it? There. Okay. Now we can align, distribute horizontally. This way they're all in order. All lined up is what I should probably have said. Okay. And then let's see what other kind of cute little, whoops. All right, we're gonna delete that. Come down here, here. And we'll do the kitty cat. And come up here to the height. And do 2.5. Okay. I guess it didn't like that. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's me because I can't really type with my left hand or if there's something glitchy. Oh, this little cow one is cute. Come up here, backspace, 2.5, and little snowman's cute. Let's do him. 2.5. Okay, now we got 3 more. So we want to align to the bottom. And then we want to do align, distribute horizontally. Now they're all in order. That's one thing I did not do for this one here. And I should have attached them as well. Okay, we'll just go through the process again. Align to the bottom and distribute horizontally. And then I'm also going to attach it. Great. I don't think this is going to let me. All right, let's move that over for just a minute. I don't know why there's more spaces on this one than there is this one. But anyway, we're going to attach it. And then let's do this one, little cutie. And then I'll do one more so that there's 8 on each sheet. All right, it's already printed and cut out. Now the washi setting is going to make it so that I can peel the frame off of it, just like so. And there you have a sticker sheet. Now, I could have made it a little bit bigger because you can go up to, I think it's 9.75 when it comes to your print and cut on your Cricut. You could use your paper cutter and cut that down if you wanted to. And I just want to show you. So they don't need a weighting tool to do this, but I just wanted to show you how nicely it cuts. So that all I have to do is just peel that off. All right. Oh, I wanted to show you. This is the sticker paper that I will be using. I bought a bunch of it many years ago, and then I just remembered that I had it. And it's called, I think it's wow, I don't know what that says. I think I got it off Amazon, so I can try to find it. It's great sticker paper. It's a little thin for Cricut sticker papers thick, but it's more expensive than this. So, all right, everybody, thank you so much. Sorry about all the glitches. I'm still trying to learn how to use my left hand for everything. I've only got 2 more weeks, then I'll have my arm free, my right arm. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.